As India is reeling under the second wave of COVID-19, Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan chaired the 27th meeting with a group of ministers over the ongoing novel coronavirus crisis. Harshvardhan also added that the country is witnessing a rising trend of black fungus cases among COVID-19 patients. During the meeting, Union Health Minister pointed out that the recoveries have surpassed the daily count for the 11th consecutive day.
Today is the 11th day in succession when our number of recoveries is far more than the number of new cases that we saw in the last 24 hours. And also, you will recall that when we had our meeting in the first week of this month, we had over 4 lakh cases for almost 4-5 days in a row, and today it is the 8th day in succession when we are having less than 3 lakh cases.
Harshvardhan also spoke about the vaccination drive in India and said the country administered around 19.60 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses so far.
Just to update you about the vaccination status in the country, till morning today, our latest data informs us that we have already given 19 crore 60 lakh 51,962 doses to our countrymen, and even today we have 1 crore 60 lakh 57,858 doses which are still available with the states to vaccinate people at this point of time. And also in the pipeline, when we say in the pipeline, it means that which are likely to be delivered in the next 2-3 days, we have another 21 lakh 8,160 doses for the states. Then, as we always brief the GOM, that till now cumulatively we have tested 33 crore 71 lakh 1,118 people in the country.
The Health Minister also highlighted the rising number of black fungus cases in the country.
5,424 cases have been reported from 18 states, and these most of the cases that have been reported are the bigger states where these cases are reported are Gujarat 2,165, Maharashtra 1,188 cases, UP 663, Madhya Pradesh 519, Haryana 339 and Andhra Pradesh 248. Then out of these 5,424 cases of mucormycosis, we have seen that 4,556 cases have history of COVID-19 infection, while 875 cases are amongst non-COVID patients, and diabetes was present in 55% of the patients.
Black fungus infection is also known as mucormycosis, which affects the brain, lungs and sinuses. The fungal infection is increasing rapidly all over the country and has been declared a notifiable disease under the Epidemic Diseases Act 1897 by the central government. Of late, COVID-19 patients are getting affected by mucormycosis, which is a rare complication found during the post-recovery of the infection. Mucormycosis is believed to be life-threatening and dangerous as well. Before concluding, the Health Minister praised the primary healthcare facilities for playing a significant role in the rural and peri-urban areas.
The standard operating procedures on COVID-19 containment and management in these peri-urban, rural as well as the tribal areas are being strengthened for testing, containment and the management of the COVID cases in the rural areas. Also, we are ensuring that the primary healthcare facilities and health facilities in the private sector in these areas, they also play a significant role in delivering health services to the population. These the issues are being actively pursued with the states through various video conferences.
Dr. Harshvardhan also informed the group of ministers to follow strict containment measures, surveillance, and conduct testing for COVID-19 regularly. India reported 2.22 lakh new cases and 4,454 deaths according to the Union Health Ministry. The overall caseload stands at 2.67 crore.